Wow, this is a T-Rex. Look at this. Look at here. Look like a dinosaur. This one's a small T-Rex. Wow. Giant candle with a castle.
Kita niyo po, may liwanag na. Yan po yung nagsasabing may bukas pa. The night is over. Good morning and congratulations po. You po ulit. Thank God we made it. Finally, we are now the group of survivors. Are you enjoy po? Everybody happy? Thank you so much po sa inyong pagbisita dito sa Puerto Princesa, Underground River sa Palawan. And you're our next door po. Enjoy po kayo. And God bless you all. See you next time.
Ang saya ng feeling na makapasok sa
Left side
loob.
lang po yung baba natin. And
Yan,
return
ating
the
bangkero.
guide the collector there. Yung helmet sa box po, bigay niyo lang po doon sa nagko-collect malapit sa toilet.